stick to the beat they keep. Fog hides truth in a smoky sweep. Moments kissed by the amber haze. Soul stone stars light their reckless gaze. We're chasing nightlights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong. Light up the night. Electric hearts in a city so bright. We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares. Skyscrapers hum a steady tune.
with the ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo! West Coast weather, the sun sets slow.
Say what?
Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. tires screech. Soundtrack of the streets with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79. We're built to outlast